today we are going to draw Kuromi pointing her hand up as if she's full of ideas, and she's also sticking her tongue out. How cute! So let's start. Okay, let's start with Kuromi's face. So we're going to start from here, and we will make a circle. And we're going to continue from here, and we're going to connect the both sides like that. Okay, now let's draw Kuromi's eyes. Like that. And we're gonna come right across for her second eye. Okay, now let's make some eyelashes using a different marker. And also over here. Okay, now let's draw her nose. Her cute little nose right over here, and her tongue. Her smiling face, and her nice red tongue sticking out. Okay, that looks so cute, right? Now we are going to continue and make her head. So you're going to start right over here, and we will make her ear. Okay, I'll make the circle over there after we complete the both ears, because I have to switch my marker for that, and I don't like doing that again and again. So we're gonna do that at once. That looks amazing. Okay, now let's make Kuromi's. They have circle over here, and also one over here. Now let's draw Kuromi's eyebrows. Eyebrows, yeah. They're scary. Okay, now we have to draw a skull that Kuromi has. She always has a nice looking skull. Oh, that's a mistake. Nice looking skull right over here. Yay. And also 2 circles. It's adorable. The skull looks so cute. Okay, now we're going to start making Kuromi's body. Oops. Okay, now let's make Kuromi's body. We're gonna start right over here. This is Kuromi's hand. Okay. We have to make Kuromi's, what to call them, I don't know. They have spiky little things. First, let's make Kuromi's hand first. First of all, Kuromi's hand, so it's pointing up. she is looking up, right? Yeah, she is. Okay, we gotta draw Kuromi's tail. Yeah. Okay, we gotta draw Kuromi's tail right over here. Like an arrow pointing upwards. I don't know why her tail looks like an arrow. It's kind of creeps me out. Okay. Now let's draw the spiky little thing that I don't know how to say. Okay, that looks good, right? And circles all around it. Her hand is in the middle, and it's ruining the drawing. I don't like that. It's okay. Okay, and I'm making some more circles over. Yes, that's perfect. And let me dark this up so that it looks better. It looks like I want to dark it so it looks like that I made it with this marker, even though I haven't. Let's also dark this. I want to eat her. She's so cute. She's so adorable. Basically. Okay. And our drawing is completed. Look at this cute little masterpiece. Kuromi pointing towards the sky. I don't know what she's pointing at, but she's maybe pointing at the beautiful birds. And do tell me in the comments section that what other characters from any type of movie or even Sanrio characters you want me to make. And thanks for watching my video. See you again. Bye.